Hey guys, it's Adam again. This is your third tutorial, alright? And so, what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is we are going to be messing around with numbers. We're going to be messing around with numbers. We're going to be making stuff, and you guys are going to learn how to put numbers on the screen, okay? Um, so that's going to be a lot of fun for everyone, especially me, since no one's probably going to watch these. But I hope you do. I hope you guys are watching. I don't know if you are. I don't know if you know I exist. Anyway, enough with the rambling. I'm still very new to this, and I'm sorry about the bad teaching. I'm going to try to refine it and make it better. I know. I know it's painful. Anyway, let's learn about numbers. Well, there are lots of different types of numbers. There's like integers, floats, okay? And then there's doubles. I like the double. Doubles are my cup of beans, okay? I love doubles. Because a double is a real number. Just any number. It can be a double. Okay, so here let's talk about how you make a double. First you type in double, okay? And then you make you name it. You name it let's name it X. Double X. Now this double X, it can be anything. It can be anything you want. It's real. It can't be imaginary. Like like the square root of -1, that's imaginary. We can't do that. But X, this double right here, it can be 1, it can be 1.1, it can be 6, it can be 6.600, it can't be that. It can be this. Just go crazy. Just go for it, and you can write that. And that's it. That's a double. And it's fine with that. This is called a warning right here. We haven't seen warnings very often. But it says unused variable X. That means, bro, do something with it. Come on now. I mean, you got this X here. It's really bored. Do something with it. Unused variable. I'm being too I'm being too slow here. So let's just call X 3 because it's the third tutorial. All right. So now let's make a few more variables. X double Y. Double Y equals 2. Okay? And then double Y or double Z is going to be, now this is going to be the fun part. Double Z equals, well, 2 times X, okay? And that's saying multiply 2 by X. This asterisk, that's what you use them for. You use them as multiplication and another thing, but we'll get into that. For now, we use asterisks as multiplication. So 2 times X plus Y, okay? So if we do that, we're gonna say 2 times X, well that's 6 plus Y, which is 2. Z should equal 8. So let's test that out. Let's test out our equation. Test out Z. Well, what do we do to do that? Bada bing, bada boom. NS log. Now, don't forget the semicolons. See the semicolons right there? Yep. Okay. So we're going to type in, remember the @ sign and the quotations. We're going to do that. Now, in order to print out Z, you can't just go Z. Okay? You can't do that because what happens when it says Z? It says Z. It doesn't tell us the number that we want to see. Okay? So what we do here is we hit %F. That tells the computer, hey look, this is a double. What we want you to print out is a double. So we're going to write out a double here. Yeah, you'll see. And then you write a comma, and then you write the variable you want it to print out. And it'll just know that it's Z, okay? Because it'll say Z. You wrote Z. So now let's run this, and what should we get? 8. 8.000000. Okay? That's awesome. We love that. But what if we want to say Adam has Z number of oranges? Well, same thing. Let's get say Adam has 8 oranges. Simple enough. What if we say Adam has 8 oranges, Faye has X oranges. I have two more than the double of the number of oranges that Faye has. So Faye has %F oranges. Now we want this %F to be X. Okay? So now let's print out the screen. It's going to say Adam has 8 oranges, Faye has 3 oranges. Okay, so that's how you embed more than one. You put Z and then you just keep listing them and it'll list them in order. It'll say Z, boom, put it here. X, boom, put it here. If there's another variable, put it where the next %F is. So always remember that when you're doing this. Okay, so that's this tutorial. I hope it's making sense to you guys right now. This is a pretty short one, probably because I wasn't rambling as much. Yeah. I wanna tell you guys, I have a cat, and I love him very much. So you guys can get mad at me about that if there's like some kind of uprising against people that love cats. Please come and hate me, because I'm willing to be hated for my cat. All right. So goodbye.